Matiangi faults Gachagua impeachment ruling, says court contradicted itself. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing. Don't forget to like, comment, and share our videos. Former Interior Cabinet Secretary Fred Matiangi has criticized the High Court ruling in the impeachment case of former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, saying the judgment contains fundamental contradictions. In a statement on Tuesday, June 9, 2026, Matiangi said the court's finding that Gachagua's constitutional rights were violated is consistent with its decision to still uphold the outcome of what he described as a flawed process. And I quote, "The ruling in Honorable Gachagua's impeachment case makes no sense to me. If the court finds that his constitutional rights infringed, it cannot the same breath allow the outcome of the flawed process to stand," Matiangi said. Matiangi's remarks add to the growing political debate following the court's decision on Gachagua, who suffered a blow after the High Court upheld his impeachment from office. A landmark judgment delivered by Justice Eric Ogola, Freda Mugambi, and Anthony Murima on Monday, June 8, 2026, found that the members of parliament and the senators followed the due process for the removal of Gachagua from office. And I quote, "The prayers seeking to quash Gachagua's impeachment are hereby declined," the bench ruled. The bench ruled out of the claims of bias, predetermination, and conflict of interest advanced against the National Assembly and Senate speakers, members of parliament, and senators, terming them as unsubstantiated. The bench ruled that Gachagua's rights were violated when the Senate refused to adjourn the proceedings after he was taken ill and instead proceeded with the impeachment process. And I quote, "We find that His Excellency Gachagua's rights were infringed when the Senate refused to allow an adjournment. This violation constitutes both a vindication of his rights and a recognition of the constitutional infirmity in the process, but does not undo the impeachment itself, given the finality of the Article 1457 and the constitutional absurdity that could arise from the dual incumbency," the court ruled. The former Deputy President Rigathi Gachagua, while speaking during a press conference in Nairobi Tuesday 9 June 2026, said he respects the judiciary but strongly disagrees with its findings, both law and fact. And "We stand here today with tremendous respect to the judiciary of our country," he said. "While we respect the ruling of the High Court, we totally and fundamentally disagree with the interpretation of the law and application of facts." He added that the court had ignored key constitutional protections, especially the right to a fair hearing. Until another video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share our videos. Until another video, bye for now.